This is a portable LG air conditioner. Been having troubles with it cooling. So I want to show you what I ended up doing. I got some Simple Green here. I've been spraying Simple Green onto the fins of the condenser and the evaporator. This is the evaporator, what it looks like after I've been scraping it with a toothbrush and hitting it with Simple Green. The condenser was covered in lint to get by the filter. I made the mistake of trying to clean it with the fan on it. I ended up spraying Simple Green all over the room, so I had to clean that up. But you can see this is my toothbrush, and I was using this to clean in here. I was just spraying some Simple Green in there, and then this is a spray can full of water, and I managed to get it off with the toothbrush. Get up again, move the light over, took the back off of it so I could see the other part of the air conditioner's condenser. Cleaned that off too. Now when I put my hands on the condenser coils, since it's not on right now, it won't feel anything, but after it's been on for a little bit, you can feel the condenser coils start to heat up. And you can also see that there's some moisture in the evaporator because it was cooling. It was cool to the touch, so hopefully I'm done with this. I didn't realize I had to take the back off too to do this, but I was spraying Simple Green, a whole container of Simple Green in there, and it seemed to have cleared up the problem, so I'm going to put this back together.